Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Chase app. We click on settings, this first page of settings, then we'll go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and we click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store and you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.